From the world of sport, the Super Eagles players present Ademola Lookman with a cake to celebrate his CAF African Player of the Year award. Super Eagles forward Victor Osimhen has hailed Atlanta forward Ademola Lookman for his impressive performance for his club and country, Nigeria. Lookman, who helped Atlanta win the UEFA Europa League with a stunning hat-trick in the final, made it to a back-to-back victory for Nigeria after succeeding Osimhen, who won it in 2023, to win the prestigious CAF award.
Speech.
Extra quiet.
One house.
Be extra quiet.
Guys,
Can you hear him?
no. I want to thank everybody in this room, and obviously beyond this room,
We cannot hear you from this side.
for all of the love and all of the, all of the good times and the bad times all together that we've all spent, and obviously to be able to be crowned this is because of you guys as well, because you guys pushed me, you guys you helped me, so I want to say a big thank you to you guys and much love and much thank you guys.
First bite. You wouldn't.
I thought you should.
I didn't laugh.
Alright, that's it. Yes.
However, Ademola Lookman was surprised by the gesture, cut the cake presented to him for winning the CAF Best Award 2024. We'll continue to supply you more sports news stories. Until then, keep watching NaijaNews TV.